My loves, have you guys seen these new cosmetic mesh bags at Dollar Tree from Ellie? Yes! Alright, so these are $1.25. Get into it. It has the gold chain at the end, and then they also have the heart shape on a zipper that says Ellie. Absolutely love this. Now, they only have two colors, and my fave is definitely the orange in this case. I'm a greens girl, but in this case, it's definitely the orange. Love this. Ooh, this smells good.
Oh yes.
Listen,
Definitely.
Dollar Tree has so many exciting finds that you are going to be so excited that you guys have tuned into this video. Check this out. So first off, Dollar Tree has these games over here, Better Than Yesterday, that are normally found in Target. Look at these. These are $1.75. What do you mean, 90 Day Fiance? Look at this. Honey, it gets better than this. Check this out. They also have these collectible figures like 18 Justin Jefferson, Jaylene Hurts. They also have Christian McGraffey. I think that's how you pronounce his name. Honey, these are $1.75. Try to tell me Dollar Tree isn't coming through for the ones and twos. Listen, so many, and I do mean so many exciting finds at Dollar Tree. Oh my goodness. Dollar Tree who? Okay, all right. Another item that Dollar Tree has is the Onyx. This is the Stone Sugar foot file, softer feet. These are $1.25. Absolutely love these. In this video, you guys are going to see name brand finds, new beauty finds, and also game finds that you would normally see at Target. Check this out. So Dollar Tree also have the Clinique Volumizing Keratin Conditioner, reduces breakage, seals split ends, control frizz, add moisture, deep hydration for normal to dry hair. Oh my goodness. Keratin Amino Complex, free of sulfates, dyes, and parabens. This is so amazing. $1.25. Now, other new items that Dollar Tree has is the Bath and Beauty cleanses and moisturize. These hand soaps over here. They have the pear scent, also the fresh scent, and these are definitely new. Let's see how they smell. So we're gonna try the pear scent first. Ooh, this smells good. This smells really good. You know, I really don't, in my opinion, I like more so of the liquid soap as opposed to the foam soap, you know. Let's see how the fresh scent smell. Ooh, both of them smell really, really amazing, but my fave is definitely the pear scent. Oh my goodness, it smells so wonderful. Really good. Another amazing item Dollar Tree has is the Sophie hair clips over here. You get 3 pieces of these for $1.25. They also have these wig clips from Sophie, 10-pack for $1.25. Major finds. LA Colors lipstick Dollar Tree has. This red is for the girls, okay? This is $1.25. It's a smooth and creamy finish. Me personally, I absolutely love matte. They also have this dark black, well, this black limited edition. It says Raven. This is the color, and this is just bitten hollow. Dollar Tree also have these auto eyeliners. This is electric blue. They also have moonlight white. They also have evil queen. This is the liquid eyeshadow. Check Dollar Tree out. Now Dollar Tree also have other colors with that liquid eyeshadows. This green, I love this green. They also have this blue. And then what about the lip gloss Perfect Peach? These are so gorgeous. They have this one, and then they also have a darker pink color. You guys are looking for new makeup brushes that is not going to break the bank. Dollar Tree definitely has them. Check these out. So they have these gorgeous makeup brushes. I absolutely love these. Two-sided makeup brush, sassy and chic. This is $1.25. They also have this makeup brush as well. Same as their concept, except for this one is just like a little more wider. This is definitely my favorite. And then they also have this makeup brush as well, $1.25. Now Dollar Tree also have these Whisper wing eyelashes, or a little too long for my liking, but honey, you do what works for you. These are Serene Eyes, narrows and sharpens eyes, complements all eye shapes. These are $1.25 up to 20 wears. Now, another fun find that I don't recall seeing at Dollar Tree is the Dermasil Exfoliate and Facial Scrub. This is $1.25. They also have another one. This is for acne-prone skin, $1.25 as well. Now, Dollar Tree also has these Ultra Max with baking soda face and body wipes, fresh scent, cool. If you guys have not seen already, Dollar Tree do have these gorgeous full collection hand sanitizers. This one is the ginger citrus scented. This one is the pumpkin. They also have the little pen hand sanitizers that you could just throw in your bag or in your pocket. Same as their concept, pumpkin, ginger, and they also have the shea butter extract. These are so fancy. Just when you thought that they couldn't get any better at Dollar Tree, honey, it has gotten even better. So if you guys are ready for Christmas right now, Dollar Tree definitely has their noodles over here, Christmas themed. They have the red, the white, also the green. These are $1.50. Absolutely love this. They also have the Elf on the Shelf, really giving holiday vibes. The pom-poms over here, the foam scatters, snowboard decor. They also have the mini bowls over here, ornament fillers, really cute. Metal wreath hangers, foam sheets, honey, you name it, Dollar Tree is definitely gonna bring it. They also have the DIY wood frames. You get two of these for, I want to say $1.50. They also have the little Christmas trees over here. I absolutely love these with the snow. Really nice. And then they also have this item right here. I'm trying to figure out what this is. Oh, this is the 6-foot garland. And this is $1.50. Really cool. Just in time for fall, Dollar Tree has these gorgeous water bottles. These are so gorgeous, like orange. They also have the red. They also have the green for $1.50. Now, although Dollar Tree has their Christmas items out already, they still have these gorgeous Halloween items like the candy bucket bags over here that are $1.50. They also have the candy totes over here. They have their baskets. They also have the solar decor, which I absolutely love. Wall decorations for a party, a Halloween party, really cool. Then they also have the 9 feet garland. Love this. And all the Halloween decor that your fancy heart desires, Dollar Tree definitely has it. Look at this decor right here. Happy Halloween with the pumpkin, the bear, and the ghost. This is really fancy. They also have these taper candles over here. Really nice. They have the yard stakes over here. These are $1.50. Really cool. Let me know in the comment section what was your favorite item. Mine's definitely was the Keranique, the hair conditioner. Oh my goodness, when I tell you a still deal like Holyfield, that was so amazing. And also the LA Colors, that red lipstick. Oh my goodness. You know, Dollar Tree is just showing out definitely at this point. But honey, it's okay with me. With that being said, keep rocking out, believe in yourselves. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.